let's see. After title validation, my intention is to close the browser with the help of selenium command. So how to close the browser? So for that we can use driver dot close. So this command will close the current browser window. Just check it. Just click on run. So it maximize its load and see, we successfully close the Firefox window. So using driver.close command we can close the browser window. If you want to close all open browser, so we can use driver.quit. So with the help of this we can close all browser window. So just check it. See, we launch and it close all the browser window. So what is the difference between driver.close? So it close only current browser window, and driver.quit, so it will close all browser window. So this is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit.
आई होप आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर करना। तो देखो, चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करने को कुछ पैसे नहीं लगते, तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो यार। तो मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में जल्द ही।